Understanding genre in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a word that you might have heard in various contexts but might not have a complete grasp on: genre. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it effectively. So, what does genre mean? In its simplest form, the term genre refers to a category or type of something, particularly in relation to art, music, literature, or film. It helps us classify and categorize different forms of expression based on shared characteristics. For example, in movies, we have genres like action, romance, and horror. In music, there are genres such as rock, jazz, and classical. In literature, we encounter genres like fiction, poetry, and drama. Now that we know the basic definition, let's understand why the concept of genre is so essential. 1. Expectations. Knowing a work's genre gives us certain expectations. If someone tells you you're going to watch a horror film, you already expect it to be scary. 2. Classification. It allows creators, sellers, and consumers to classify and organize content more effectively. Think of how books are arranged in a bookstore or films in a cinema. 3. Communication. When discussing interests with others, saying you enjoy a certain genre can instantly communicate a lot about your preferences. To make sure you're confident in using the term, here are some example sentences. 1. What genre of music do you prefer? Rock or country? 2. She writes mainly in the genre of historical fiction. 3. Despite being in the action genre, the movie had a lot of comedic moments. Before we conclude, let's address a few common mistakes. 1. Not being specific. Remember, genre is a broad term. It's always good to specify which medium you're referring to. For example, instead of saying, "I like all genres," it's clearer to say, "I like all film genres," or "I like all music genres." 2. Confusing with gender. Some English learners confuse genre with gender. While they sound similar, they refer to entirely different concepts. Gender relates to social roles and identities based on being male, female, or non-binary. Genre relates to categories or types of art, music, or literature. And there we have it. We've unlocked the meaning, importance, and usage of the term genre. I hope this video has clarified things for you. The next time you're discussing your favorite movie, book, or song, remember what you've learned today. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.